Here are some potential hidden problems or common issues that could emerge with the 2025 Chinese Range Rover. 1. Quality of materials. Some Chinese market vehicles may have lower grade interior materials compared to their European counterparts, impacting long-term durability and comfort. 2. Electronics and software issues. Early batches may suffer from glitches in advanced infotainment systems, driver assistance features, or connectivity technologies. 3. Build quality. Variants, manufacturing inconsistencies could lead to panel gaps, rattles, or premature wear and tear in certain components. 4. Suspension. Durability. While the Range Rover is known for its advanced suspension, rugged terrain, or lower quality roads could lead to faster suspension wear in localized markets. 5. Battery or powertrain. Longevity for hybrids, BEVs. If a hybrid or EV variant is involved, there may be concerns about battery reliability or powertrain efficiency over time. 6. After-sales service. Limited service infrastructure or the availability of spare parts may cause delays in repairs or higher maintenance costs. 7. Resale value. Chinese-specific versions might depreciate faster due to branding or perceived quality concerns compared to UK-built models. 8. Engine performance. Engines tailored for emission or fuel efficiency regulations may experience reduced performance compared to global versions. Would you like this rephrased for a video format or further expanded?